With the air full of dust and toxins, many people are confused, is it a cold, the flu, or just an allergy? A common cold usually starts slowly: blocked nose, sneezing, mild fever, slight body ache. Pollution weakens immunity, making colds more frequent. The flu hits hard and fast. High fever, intense body ache, fatigue, and dry cough. Polluted air can worsen breathing issues during flu. Seasonal allergies worsen in pollution. You'll notice itchy eyes, constant sneezing, runny nose, but no fever. Dust, smoke, and chemicals irritate your airways, making all three conditions feel more severe. If your symptoms are persistent or severe, don't guess. Get a proper diagnosis and breathe safely this pollution season.